Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. This is the TCL C6K, in this case the 55-inch size. The C6Ks is not marketed yet in my country. Even so, I'm going to mention the main differences between the C6K and the C6Ks. The first difference has to do with the available sizes. The C6Ks is not offered in 85-inch or 98-inch sizes, while the C6K has the option for these two larger sizes. The second difference is that the C6K supports 120Hz in 4K and also 144Hz in 4K in all available sizes, while the C6Ks has a maximum refresh rate of up to 60Hz in 4K in all its sizes. It does support 120Hz but only up to 1440p. The third difference has to do with the image processor. According to TCL, in all available sizes, the C6K has a slightly better processor which, among other things, allows for supposedly better image upscaling and the possibility of IMAX picture mode, which can be useful for many users. And it also allows the Dolby Vision IQ picture mode to display a greater amount of brightness compared to the other Dolby Vision picture modes. The fourth difference has to do with the brightness levels and contrast ratio. Keep in mind that the brightness levels vary according to the size of both models. For example, the 75-inch size will be brighter than the 55-inch size, and the approximate brightness difference as a percentage will be between 10% and 15% more for the C6K, taking into account the contrast ratio of one of the sizes of both models shown on the TCL website. The fifth difference has to do with the inputs. The C6Ks has one less HDMI port for a total of 3, and has one less USB port on some sizes. The C6K has 4 HDMI ports, 2 of them support 120Hz and 144Hz in 4K. It also has an extra USB port. The sixth difference has to do with the hardware, which influences the operating system. Because the processor of the C6Ks is less powerful, it has slightly less RAM and slightly less storage. So far, these are the most notable differences between the two models, at least as far as I can find out. In everything else, they appear to be almost the same or very similar. But you should remember that both the brightness levels and the local dimming zones vary according to each of their sizes. And it seems that the local dimming zones are the same in both models, according to what I found out. For example, the 55-inch sizes will have 180 dimming zones. The 75-inch sizes will have 312 dimming zones, and the 98-inch size of the C6K will have 512 dimming zones. I still don't know the number of dimming zones they can have for their other sizes. And here I need you to understand that if you see the largest value for dimming zones shown on TCL's websites, that value corresponds to the largest size available for each model. Regarding display and LED backlighting technologies, both models in each of their sizes will have an LCD screen with an HVA panel for slightly better viewing angles, in addition to quantum dot color technology, which provides more vivid results. And they will have mini LED backlighting technology with, of course, the local dimming feature. And in terms of the audio speakers system, both models feature 2.1 channel audio system by Onkyo in all of their sizes except the 50-inch option. If you guys know more differences between these two models, please let us know at the comment section down below. I remind you guys you can support my channel by making some purchases throughout the links I put in the description and in the first comment. Also click the like button if you enjoyed this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thanks for watching and until next time.